I totally missed it, but this cow just like bolted. I love seeing cows run. It's so funny. Like I just like bang and looked up and this cow was like bolting over. So cute. What a little calf running. Go little buddy, go. Go little buddy. Is that his mama? Is that his mama? Are you going to mama? Look at that little calf run. Go little buddy, go. Go little buddy, go. Run little one, run. Sorry. I almost smoked car. Not a trigger, just a smoker. I just almost fell over a stick. I'm okay. I better go home and do some clearing around my spot. Usually campsite's okay. But anyway, these are some of the Calves.